here I have with me the LVLUP mouse, Pro Gaming Mouse with DPI switch. So this mouse has been on the market for a quite while now, but it recently went into some CVS like the other month or a month or so. So I'm gonna do my first impression. This is the first time I'm gonna unbox this right here, so you guys will get my first reaction and everything. It is a LED mouse. By looking at the box, it is a LED mouse. I'm not sure if it comes in one color, just blue or what, but I'm gonna look into it. Here on the back we have futuristical, comfortable, ergonomics, design, minimize hand fatigue during long gaming session, keep your playing longer, RGB backlight for extreme gaming experience, advanced optical sensor with 3 level R adjustable DPI drivers, hyper accurate training, accurate suit for various gaming situation. I'm not sure what DPI means, but we'll see. So let's get right into it. Let's try to pull this tape off right here. As I said, guys, this is my first time unboxing this thing right here, so it should be interesting. So here we go. Slide it out just like that. Bada bing bada boom. Inside the box we got some manuals right there, so let's take a look at the manual real quick. Even though you guys know we don't read manuals around here, but let's just take a look at it. So here we have, it is a USB plug-in. It has DPI resolution, so I'm guessing the DPI means resolution, like how the mouse appears on the screen. Yeah, I'm guessing that's what it means, but as I said, I'm gonna check it out real quick. I'm gonna video my screen and show you guys what it's look like. So yep, there it is. It's LVLUP, and on the box here we have a nice picture on the side, which I like. It shows it like beautiful and all those stuff. Underneath the box, let's see what we have underneath the box right here. Warning, cancer and harmful, blah blah blah. So it's actually Vivitar. I heard about that brand before. I know they build like tablets and all those stuff. So touching the mouse right now, it is definitely soft. Not soft like sponge, but the finish has this soft feel. If you guys know what I'm talking about, it is like soft plastic on top, which I'm a fan of. I think that's gonna be pretty much comfortable while you're gaming or even just doing some office work on your computer. So that should be interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in real quick for you guys, so I'll be right back. Again, it is a USB plug-in right here. As you guys can see, it is a normal USB. You plug it in. The card seems pretty long, but as you guys know, I don't really like cards because it is a more mess for me. I rather to go wireless. Since I'm not gaming, it doesn't really make any much difference for me because I'm not gaming. But if you're gaming, it is best to go with a wired mouse. So I'm guessing that's why this gaming mouse have a wire on it. But if it was just a normal office mount, then it wouldn't have any wire on it. It would best to go wireless if you're going for office or even video editing, because you don't need a wire mouse for video editing. You're not gonna see any much of a difference that much. But with a wire mouse, it is much quicker responsive, faster and all those stuff while you're gaming, doing some first person shooting, Fortnite, all those stuff. So with that said, I'm just gonna plug it in right now so you guys can see. So far the bill is pretty good for its price. The bill, especially the top, guys, the top just seems so soft and it's very clicky. I'm kind of a fan of hearing clicks when I click. Yep, you can click in the middle. I'm not sure if you can do a right and left click. No, it doesn't seem like you can do a right and left click. But with my mouse that I have here, which is a Logitech mouse, I think it's the M5 or M50 mouse or something like that, but it has left click and right click and middle click. So I'm not sure if you can also add macro to these. I'm guessing not, but let's go ahead and plug it in. Alright guys, so I'm gonna plug it in right about now. So as I plug it in, it starts to light up right away. Plug it in instantly. I kind of can see like some fault in it already. I'm not sure if that's a fault or what, but over this side here, you guys can see there's a LED right here, like it is lighting up bright and all those stuff. But on the right side there, it is not that bright as the left side. I'm not sure if that is a fault or what, but it kind of seems like it is a fault for me. The lights are on at the moment, and I'm going to turn off the lights a little bit. As you guys can see, my hands right there, my hands are kind of big. Well, not the biggest, but it is not the smallest either. It is probably average for you guys. So there it is in my hands. The lights, you can see it still have that red light for the mouse, but you can see it is also changing colors under there. It is changing colors right through. So far I just plug it in like not even a minute yet, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna overheat or anything with the lights and all those stuff. But I'm gonna turn off the light for you guys so you guys can see what it's look like in the dark. Well, not dark, but what it's look like in the dark. As you guys can see, I got my LED keyboards also, so you're gonna see that it should go well with this LED mouse right here. So let's get that right into it, guys. So I'm gonna turn off the lights right now. So there it is with the lights off, guys. You guys can see it is pretty cool. Like, guys, look at that. Look at that for your money. Like, look at it. Look at it. That is pretty sweet, guys. That is pretty sweet. Look at that. This could be the best LED gaming mouse for your money. The best budget. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. And it kind of goes well with my keyboard, like, look. And I'm gonna just show you right now. So my mouse is pretty big. A lot of people say my mouse cursor kind of annoys them, but I like it this way. Sorry about that if it actually annoys you, but I like it this way. Ooh. It is just me moving it that slow, but here it is. It is pretty responsive. Click there, it goes there. Click there, it goes there. Right click goes well. Let's try to click on the next page. That's the middle click. The middle scroll bar click goes there on the next page up there. Nice and easy. I can also stroll. Strolling feels very well. Nice and tight. I like my stroll wheels when it's tight and not just easily run, compared to this one right here which I have, which just runs and make a lot of noise, while this here just simple and nice. Like, just feel that stroll, guys. So relaxing. I can see myself using this, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the fact that this is not a wireless mouse, I'm not gonna use it just because I can't bother with wires. I have like something with wires, it just seems make the face feel more untidy, and I'm not a fan of that, to be honest. But as I said, guys, overall this mouse is definitely worth your money, and I can see this mouse being a good mouse for especially kids who want to go into gaming but doesn't have that money to buy a real gaming mouse. This is definitely the mouse for your money. But that's all I have to say for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this mouse in the comment section. Let me know if you got it or if you're thinking about to get it. And if you're thinking about to get it, you should definitely get this mouse. And before I go, I just want to know what this switch do here. Like, what did this switch do? Wait, I saw a notification came up talking about my mouse is ready to set up. Yeah, I mean, it's already plugged in. But what does this switch do here? Try to hold it. I mean, I don't see much of a difference. Hold on guys, this video has to continue because I need to know what that mouse button actually do. Like, do you just press it and it change? Hold on, let me just do a quick research on what DPI is. What is DPI? Because I don't know what DPI is. Oh, dot per inch. Oh, so that has to do with like the resolution. So let me go ahead and press it again. I mean, to be honest, I don't see the difference. I don't know if it's like too much for my eyes or too little for my eyes, but I don't really see the difference. But I'm guessing it makes a difference for gaming. That's why it is on there, because as you guys know, better resolution for gaming results to better gaming performance and all those stuff. So I'm guessing that's more for gamers and not for someone like me who just do like video editing and other office stuff. But as I said guys, that's what I have to say for this video. This mouse is pretty awesome guys, just look at that. But thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.